Guys, I'm feeling so alive, guys. And if you hear any noise, guys, it's because I'm on a nature walk. Yeah, guys, I came to my show's place. Then there was this, is it nature trail or whatever? So yeah, then we decided to go, my cousin and I. And yeah, guys, this place is so peaceful. I mean, I'm feeling so peaceful. I mean, guys, it's a new way to start this month, and I love it here. Yeah.
You make dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you.
A nature loving person, guys. I just love nature because I think nature is so peaceful. And yeah, actually it's so fun here. And I think this is also a good exercise. Nature walking. It's a very nice exercise. But one thing, guys, I regret coming with my sneakers. I forgot my shoes, my sports shoes at home. So I came with my sneakers. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, the bussy, I just met a little cutie here. It's a flower, but I don't know the name. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. Guys, okay, it's so peaceful here. The only sound you can hear it's for birds chirping and the river flowing. So I mean, guys, yeah, it's so peaceful. Let me walk slowly so that I cannot slide. It's also slippery here, but I love it. Yeah. And guys, I forgot my AirPods. I wish I came with my AirPods, but it's cause I came with my cousin, so like we'll be talking the whole time. Yeah, let's go. Let me show you the view, guys. It's so peaceful. It's so quiet. Let me try to zoom it for you. Can you see a friend? Can you see, guys? Guys, I've been told to talk in a low tone because they attack people and I don't want to come out of here without my face. It hurts so much, so I don't want to distract them because it's their home. Yeah, guys, can you see? I don't know whether you can see, and my phone has I've zoomed in. Hello, good morning, guys. How are you guys? I'm doing good. For me, I'm doing good. And guys, today I'm going for an interview, and guys, hope I'm gonna get this job. And yeah, guys, so guys, I hope and I pray that I'm gonna be taken for this job. I think I've prayed enough, I've prepared enough, so yeah, I think I'm courageous enough to go for this, and I hope I'll be taken. So guys, please pray for me and please cross your fingers for me. Yeah, I'll update you guys on how it went later. Yeah.
Oh boy.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I?
This is my outfit of the day. Yeah, I'm going for an interview, so I must look the parts. So yeah, this is my outfit. Plus it's cold, so I have to wear the trench. So guys, I'm done with the interview, but I'm waiting for the feedback. They've told me they'll reply in 1 or 2 days. So guys, I'm waiting for feedback. Sorry, please guys, pray for me. I really need this job. Yeah guys. Hello guys, I'm going on a meeting and I think I'm late. No, I'm not late actually. I'm supposed to be there before 2, and yeah, I think I'm on time. So let me hurry up. I'm gonna take you with me. Yes.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you
Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul rip the fear. Throw the daft into arch thinged.
hope so that you enjoyed the vlog. I'm so happy and I'm so motivated to do this YouTube thing. And guys, thank you so much. I love you guys.